Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special Anjeer mousse. Take 150 grams of dried anjeer and soak them in hot water for 30 minutes. These anjeer are approximately 20 pieces. If smaller, take 25 pieces. After 30 minutes, strain the water and cut the anjeer into small pieces. Now put them in a blender. You can blend without cutting them, but if you cut them, the blending process will be faster and you will not have any pieces remain. Add 500 ml of warm milk. To check the milk warm, keep finger in the milk. If you can resist the heat, that's enough. Now blend them into a fine paste. It will take 2-3 minutes to become thick consistency as I'm showing. If you don't get thick like this, blend some more time. Put this paste into glasses and cover with aluminium foil or plastic stretch film. Now refrigerate it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, it's ready to serve. Use grated dried coconut or any dry fruit as a topping and enjoy. If you keep in the fridge, it will taste good till 1 week. If you like this video, give thumbs up. If you don't like, click the dislike button. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.